You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to turn off switch control on your iPhone. Switch control is an accessibility feature that allows you to control your iPhone with switches. To disable it, open the Settings app, tap Accessibility, scroll down and tap Switch Control. At the top, toggle the switch next to Switch Control to the off position. It will turn from green to gray. If you can't access settings because switch control is active, you can use a hardware shortcut. Quickly press the side button or home button on older iPhones 3 times. This will bring up the accessibility shortcut menu. If you have it enabled, tap switch control to turn it off. If that doesn't work, you may need to triple click the side button and then use your configured switch to navigate and select the switch control option to disable it. Once turned off, your iPhone will return to normal touch input. This feature is very helpful for those who need it but can be accidentally activated. For more simple iPhone accessibility tutorials, subscribe to the channel.